Hi friends, IOCL Indian Oil Corporation Limited has given a notification for engagement of apprentice. So before going into the details, if you are new to my channel, please subscribe. And also like this video and share this video to your friends. So if you see the details, IOCL invites applications from candidates for the engagement as apprentice at its various locations, that is refineries, under different trades or disciplines as mentioned below. So if you see trade or discipline, it's a trade apprentice discipline chemical. For this qualification required is 3 years BSc, that is physics, mathematics, chemistry or industrial chemistry. And these are the refineries against you can apply here. Guwahati 29, Baroni 104, total number of vacancies, and like that different places are the different refineries. You have vacancies different, and you can apply at any one refinery according to your qualifications. And the period of training is 12 months. And trade apprentice discipline is mechanical. So for this required qualification is metric with 2 years, and ITI fitter course is required. And these are the refineries, and period is 12 months, and these are the different number of vacancies at different places, that is refineries. And like that trade apprentice boiler, that is discipline is mechanical. So mechanical means here you have to check the required qualification against the code or trade this position. So according to your qualification, you have to apply for the trade, that is that codes 101, like that. So it is a mechanical, but here the required qualification is given 3 years BSc is given. So like that you have to check. And technician apprentice discipline is chemical, 3 years diploma in chemical engineering or refinery petrochemical engineering, and a technician apprentice mechanical. So here 3 years diploma in mechanical engineering is given. And electrical, 3 years technician apprentice electrical, 3 years diploma in electricals. So mainly so these apprentice vacancies for BSc students, and ITI diploma in chemical and petrochemical refinery engineering, and mechanical, electrical, instrumentation and electronics instrumentation, BA, BSc, BCom, and 12th class also given. Trade apprentice data entry operator, like 12th pass with skill certificate holder in domestic data entry operator. So there's a fresher application. This is skill means for this you require experience certificate. And so these are the different trades or disciplines and corresponding qualifications. So if you have any qualification, you can apply against that post. And here if you see age limit, so minimum age required is 18 years, and maximum age shall be 24 years as in 31st October 2021 for general and EWS candidates. And age relaxation is given for SC, ST and OBC non-creamy layer candidates, and persons with benchmark disabilities candidates as per the government guidelines. So that age relaxation is there here. So you can see for SC, ST candidates 5 years age relaxation given, and for OBC candidates 3 years. So I will provide this notification link in the description so you can read thoroughly. And some points are given here, like selection methodology. So here is a test. Selection shall be on the basis of performance of the candidates on the basis of the marks obtained by them in the written test. So test duration is 2 hours, and also meeting the notified eligibility criteria. So here is a test, written test is there for this. And also in case of ties there for between two or more candidates of marks in the written test, the date of birth means seniority, senior by age, shall be the factor to be considered to place the candidates in the rank in the merit list. And call letters for written test will be issued to all prima facie eligible candidates. So means here on the basis of details furnished in online application. So here you have to understand this point, like, so when you given applications, this point may be like your educational qualification or marks obtained on the basis, maybe you will get call letter for written test. Means if you get good marks in your corresponding education, that's qualifications, you may get call letter for written test. And these are the locations where you can apply apprentice at different refineries. And the written test will be conducted with objective type multiple choice questions consisting of 4 options with 1 correct option. And some points are given. Document verification, so you can read this. As I already told, I will provide this notification link in the description. And how to apply. So anyway, I will provide this application link also in the description. So here some dates are given. Applications, online application shall be open 22/10/2021, means it is already open, and it will close at 17 hours on 12/11/2021. And so these are some of the important dates. You can see date of opening of online application is 22/10/2021. Date of last date for submission of online application is 12/11/2021, 17 hours. Last date for the PWBD candidates to submit prescribed format for scribe through email is by 13/11 and 2021. Tentative date for download of admit card by candidates is 16/11/2021 to 20/11/2021. Tentative date of written test is 21/11/2021. Tentative date of publication of written test result is 4/12/2021. And tentative date of document verification is 13/12/2021 to 20/12/2021. Thanks for watching.